Alright, I'm gonna go. I gotta...
On jelly sickles. That mean the circle of jealousy's real thick, man. I'm feeling it's about to pop off.
We're gonna get pulled over,
man. But I ain't trying to have a fellas come and
change 2007, motherfuckers.
To see me shining, get to tripping when they ripple out. Get these rappers dripping jelly to the 3rd degree. Most of them in my city know me.
Almost fucking killed that bitch.
Look at that rice burner. Look at that rice burning. She's like, oh, I got 5 of those off eBay.
There we go. I'll blur that license. Oh wait, it's dirty. I don't have to. Alright, we're gonna go inside now. So this is us. Walmart. We're going inside. Who buys just that? A quart. They don't got no $5.40. Should I get that Pennzoil?
Looks pretty good.
Where the fuck's my car at, man? Oh, I think that's it. Here's what we got at Walmart.
See that shit?
How is it down there?
Pretty good. Yeah.
You know you're not supposed to take those things when you leave the shop?
There's a hole in my fucking thing. Gotta get this fucker out. Escaping home. On this thing.
That's awkward. Need a screwdriver. Okay.
Need a flat.
What the heck? That's all I got, man.
That's all you got for a freaking screwdriver? Get this engine hot, bitch. I'm ready.
Yeah. About that.
Down low. This is what your problem is. The problem is there's so much dirt on here, it's causing engine decapitation.
Really?
Yeah. What you gotta do is you gotta take this off.
Okay.
And you gotta spit in it. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Well, anyway, I'm changing the oil. My expertise on that part is pretty low.
Really?
Right down here.
Okay.
Down here. This is where your drain plug is for your oil. This is some kind of crazy ass oil sensor built right into the oil pan. That's advanced. Now you touch that shit, it's pretty warm. You unscrew this, it spews out oil. But we got the oil filter, which is right here. It makes it so easy. You can jerk off and take this fucker off. Jerking off, taking it off.
Yeah.
Usually, oil filters are like way down here. You gotta like turn the engine on. blood and shit all over. What? No, that's right there. That's easy. You undo that and let it drip out. You unscrew that fucker. Undo your cap a little, let out some of the air pressure. Yeah. We turn the car off and then we unscrew it.
Okay.
This shit's gonna be so awesome.
You were gonna do that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah.
We wouldn't want the engine going.
So
we were like, what's going on? The engine's running. We're draining the oil, and we're like, why is that shit? We're gonna put synthetic in this. Okay. Here we go.
You're gonna burn your fucking hands off.
Loosen this bolt here. It's on there pretty tight. Tighter than normal.
Oh shit.
Wait, it's gonna squirt out pretty good. Ready? Oh, we're almost there. I can feel it starting to come out. Maybe not.
Oh, that is juicy. That is juicy. Oh,
that burns a little. See how fast that's oozing out? That's good. You don't want no soup oil. So now we go in and play some PS3. I get all that dirty. Holy shit. Like a tooth broke.